Did you know the appliance you use to reheat your pizza was invented because of a melted candy bar? In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working in a lab, testing a military-grade magnetron. That's a massive vacuum tube that generates microwave radiation. As he stood in front of the active radar set, he noticed something weird. The peanut cluster candy bar in his pocket was completely melting into a warm, gooey mess. Intrigued, he grabbed some unpopped popcorn kernels and placed them near the tube. Pop. He had just accidentally discovered microwave cooking. Sometimes the greatest scientific breakthroughs happen just because you brought a snack into the lab.